SQL Dialog allows us to translate natural language into SQL queries to retrieve data from a database. With SQL Dialog, there is no need to create intents, utterances, dialog flows, or custom components. To get started, we need to add a data service to enable access to the database. You only need one integration per data service, which can then be used by multiple skills. Now we will create a new skill. In the Entities menu, we can easily use the option Import from Data Service. Here we can choose the data service and the specific tables we need. In this case, the schema has employee and department tables. This will automatically create query entities for the selected tables. It sets the entity and attributes primary names based on the canonical names. Once we train the model, we can test the queries using the primary names for the entities and attributes. In the query tester, we can see the utterance automatically converted into an object representation query language, which is like SQL but based on the entity names instead of the tables. The intermediate query is then converted into a real SQL query. You can add custom training data to improve the model's ability to understand and route queries. We can also test the conversation, as there is no need to create a dialog flow. This is automatically created. We have also full control over how the data is displayed. The query entity has a configuration menu to customize the layout. The SQL Dialog tab shows details about the generated queries and the confidence score for the utterance. This is how we can expose database data in a conversational manner. SQL Dialog supports a large number of queries without having to create intents for each of them.